Hi guys and สวัสดีค่ะ I'm Chef Pim, the owner at Bolan Thai Cuisine. I'm so proud to get Thai Select Award from Thai government. At Bolan we use a lot of Thai ingredients like fish sauce, Thai homeric rice, Thai riceberry, and so many products of Thailand. I would like you to try red curry or signature dish Bolan Pad Thai. We use grass noodle instead of rice noodle. The way I serve my food here is the same way I cook at home. It's the real Thai way. So if you around Marpleton Road, Middletown in Toronto, please come to visit us. I hope to see you soon. ขอบคุณค่ะ